What's happening, guys? Welcome to j&jautowrecking's test video for LDCE305. This is a 2013 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Came to us with 29,000 miles on it and involved in a left rear and minor right front collision. This car has the super low mileage and super cool LSA backed with a TR6060 transmission. We are going to be selling this as a complete resto mod dropout. You're going to get the motor, transmission, belt-driven accessories, throttle pedal, fuel pump. I want to say BCM, but I'm not sure. We're going to do all the research, guys, and we're going to figure out everything you need to make this run. We're going to send it to you. Should be ready to go with a little bit of fab work, but if you know what you're doing, you should be fine. Like I said, guys, this car is in very, very good condition here. We're going to have a nice front bumper with this aftermarket chin splitter, some xenon headlights, a ZL1 grille. It's beautiful, beautiful LSA here. We're going to fire that up in just a second for you guys. This hood is the ultra rare exposed carbon. Get you guys a first glimpse here. It has some nice clear brawl. As soon as I fire it up at the end of the video, we'll put the hood down and give you guys a nice look over of this thing. Passenger side of the car is in a really good condition minus this fender. Not really sure what happened here. That wheel blew clean off with the hub, and then the left rear is kind of an odd one. The brake caliper is obviously missing on the right front. We're going to purchase a fourth one from the Chevy dealer and make a set of 4 ZL1 calipers. There's that nice Flowmaster exhaust. We're going to pop her up in the air and get that off and get it for sale. I'm not sure if it's a cat back or an axle back. I took a quick peek and I already can't remember. It's early, guys, bear with me. Now, this interior we are going to be selling as a resto mod setup. I'm going to do the seats, door panels, and the dash assembly and the center console. You guys can cut it up, put it in a C10 like we saw at LS Fest, stick it in something else really cool, but whatever you guys do with it, this is the nicest stuff we have out there. It did blow the seat bag. We've got an upholstery shop. We've already got a bag ordered. We're going to send that out and get her redone. She will be good as new. Ooh, tight fit for me here. One thing I did want to show off, but it is not going with this swap, is the sweet shift knob. Not sure if the camera's picking that up, but I got a buddy that needs that. We're going to stick it on his car when he's not looking. If you're watching this, you know who you are. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Help if I had the keys ready. All right, guys, let's let her warm up for a minute. We're gonna go ahead and test some other stuff while we're in here. The Chevy MyLink system is working well. XM, AM, the climate control works well. Got that all tested out. These lower gauges, as seen on Watch JR Go, are going to be sold as an upgrade for the V6 Camaro owners. As you guys can see there, they are all working. All right, now let's see if I can't get this ZL1 to give me the mileage. This is always a fun one. Service airbag, yes, we know. Get me out of the messages. 29,264 miles on it. We'll give her a couple of revs here. She sounds good. We're just going to let her idle, guys. We'll let her get up to temperature in the video. Just let her run for a little bit. Like I said, we're going to be selling this interior as a resto mod setup. This is the ZL1 Alcantara suede setup here. Really nice condition. No bags popped in this. We just got back from LS Fest, and I believe we saw a C10 with this interior in it, and it looked good. Man, even the vents are just a little bit different. All right, let me see how I can get out of this thing. I'm trapped in a Camaro. There's the handle. All right. Door got pinched on me, guys. That's what happens. Whoops. Here is that LSA with that 29,000 miles on it, running whisper quiet here. Stock pulley on it as well. Just a good running LSA. Let's go ahead and put the hood down so we can show off that beautiful carbon. Man, that is nice. I honestly wish I had a Camaro just to stick this on. Get a quick little sound clip of the exhaust note. If you're looking for an LS swap, this is the one to get. All right, guys, that is going to wrap it up for LDCE305. This is our 2013 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 Resto Mod swap. Remember, guys, we are selling this motor and transmission as a complete 29,000 mile dropout. Would really like to see it in something cool, guys. If you buy this and you tag us in whatever you built with it, give us some progress photos, I'll hook you up with a swag pack. T-shirt, a hoodie, maybe a hat. You never know, guys. Other than that, link in the description below to all our parts off this unit, www.jandjautowrecking.com. And if you could, guys, go over to social media, Instagram. You're already on YouTube, but subscribe, give us a like and follow. It really helps us see what you guys enjoy, and it lets us buy the right cars to keep making the right content. Other than that, guys, we are out.